me this morning. Eh? You know, reef me. What's up again, people? Dre again with Hartman Adventures. We out here this morning early. See if we can do some lure fishing. I'm never out here this morning. Just hit up a little spot here. It's a little ledge that has a nice drop off, probably 25-30 feet and go on. So just come out here, not too long and we're there to throw some lures. You see diver them come out now, so we're about to pack up and change spot. But guess what? It is Christmas Eve. So Merry Christmas to you guys. Merry Christmas to all your family and friends and loved ones. I don't know if you celebrate Christmas, but if you don't celebrate, happy holidays to you. Hope that you enjoy your holidays as well. But we're out here this morning. Water is crystal clear this morning, guys. So hopefully we'll get some hookups this morning and then see what we can do from there. But stay tuned, guys. As soon as we get any action, you guys will definitely be in on that. So just stay tuned. Catch you later. First one for the morning, lizard fish. Lizard fish. Hooked him in the eye.
What kind of fish? A lion fish?
Lizard fish.
I'm see some like that over there. Look at some little one. God.
So I just caught a lizard fish and lure. And I set him out on this as a live bait. Now it seems strong, but it's still alive. Hopefully him can revive and start swim. Right out there, so. So let's see if we're going to get any bites on that bait. Not sure if we're going to get anything on it. On, guys. Oh.
You gone?
I'm gonna dig so. My dig, man.
Let's go today.
See me right there, sir. You know, reef me this morning, eh? You know, reef me. And Jack, you look like.
What's that? My pool man. Box cover! Where did I save it?
Oh, light tackle. Ooh. Ooh. Whoa. Watch him.
Yo! Where that? Yo!
Alright, wait.
I saw
Blue
some
runner.
big. Yo! Where that nice?
Blue runner. Whew.
Big fish that man.
Go for your next camera. trusted lure again, you know, guys. Trusted lure. My favorite small Zuri lure. Yes, man. That was my second catch for today, guys. Close. Watch the. You see that while ago?
Yeah.
Watch a long jaw. Catch him today. Enough activity around here this morning, guys. Little jack pull hard, you know, man. Hmm? Then rock and a sorry for nothing, you know, my boy. So something more they did a chase you a while ago. I'm on the edge of a ledge today. So nice drop off from here. So think I might get a few more if the breeze not change and start get the water and start get choppy. I have my nephew out here this morning. Nephew came down to spend some time with us. Sister and our kids came down. So we're going to have Christmas dinner and all of that together. So me and my nephew push out this morning so we can find. He's never done fishing. You ever do fishing yet?
No.
He's never done fishing, guys. Never ever done fishing. So that's first time I see somebody catch fish like that, not you?
Yeah. On these lines too.
Yeah. Trust me, guys, he's so amped up. He's so pumped up. He's never seen anybody catch a fish like that. So he's very pumped up right now. I hope I can get another hookup. I can probably give him to bring in. I would love to get another hookup. But right here is a nice drop off. It's about, at my feet right now, probably about, some parts of it is about 30 feet. Yeah, probably about 30 feet, some parts of it. So it's a nice little drop off. The water is crystal clear this morning. And I don't see any divers around here. So that's a positive. I was throwing a bigger lure before. I caught that blue runner. I wasn't getting any hits on it though. I was getting chased, but I wasn't getting any hits. So I just changed the lure, put on my favorite Zuri, and boom, the first cast. So I'm in a new spot now. Breeze is picking up and I see a lot of seaweeds coming in. Can't stand up behind me, this you. See a lot of seaweeds coming in. There are a lot of shallow rocks here as well. Don't know if I'll be able to hook up a barracuda or anything here. This is probably the last spot that I'm gonna stop at for today, because I have so many things to do today, guys. Today is Christmas Eve, so you know, all a little bit of last minute running around I have to get done today. So this is probably going to be the last place I'm gonna stop for today. Hopefully I'll get another fish or two here, but let's see. You guys just stay tuned. As soon as we get any hookup at all, you will definitely be in on the adventure, so just stay tuned. Come boy, come. 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 Oi! You don't want to catch a fish? You don't want to catch him?
Nothing I'm here at all. In the funny?
See me? Look how long me I call this if you come for fish.
Sure things say fish attack.
I hear me attack if you come catch him. Just a baby snapper.
Eh? Baby snapper.
You see. Relax.
Want to catch one?
Look how long me I call this if you come.
Me think I fish attack to come TV.
Come out of your phone, man.
And I not the phone for me. I see them.
That's a nice little one, guys. Really nice little one. There was foul hook in the side, but I'm going to put him back. Go on.
Yeah, say fish them there.
Next time when I call you, man, come feed, man.
Me there right there. Me back.
See, I want a nice one right here, so. See if I can get your attention. Can't get your attention at all. The lure is wicked, man. The lure catch everything, my boy. Everything the lure catch. Everything bite on the lure. The baddest lure me have. Big fish bite it, little fish bite it. Every species bite it. Boy, you could have get your first fish a while ago and you make you miss you. Eh? Come to get no more. You never come take up my lure till you again, you see. So lure catch fish from deep, catch fish in a shallow. So lure catch fish everywhere, man. Everywhere this lure catch fish. Cause water we there this morning, we're in deep water that.
What is on a shallow?
Hmm?
So on a shallow.
Couple of signs too shallow. Probably about, no sir. Probably about 6 feet of water this. In some places. It's stony, you know.
Oh, it's stony maybe.
Yeah, it's stony.
Yeah, that's nice.
Mm-hmm. Zuri, I catch everything, my boy. You take up it. You take up it again. Ooh! Fish! Just bite pan. That bird!
Makita ganun na yung gati.
Put it on. Bird greedy, man.
That's right.
A 2-time in the copy na. Breeze, yeah. Make it hard to cast. Can't get the lure as far as I want to get it. So yeah, I think that's it for today, guys. Came out, I just got a couple small ones and I got a nice blue runner. So yeah, about to go home now is about another hour drive to go home because I'm not in a rush right now. So just I gotta stop and get a few things and go home. My nephew was here with me. This was his first time fishing or going fishing with anyone like that. So gonna ask him what his thought was. So I think AJ?
Things did well good, man. Get the experience and see how them catch the fish and them something there. So really appreciate the time out to bring me out and stuff. Alright.
I'll try see if I can go out with him one more time before them go back home. And hopefully that time he can get a hook up and he can bring it in. I hook up one today and I call him to come bring it in, but he didn't pay attention. So I end up bringing the one because it never big and I want him fall off a hook or anything, so I just bring him in. And I hope I could hook up another one so I could get to bring in that one day and get a feel of it. But I try to carry him out again before them go back home. My dad is here as well, and when my dad got here last night, the first thing he asked is when are we going fishing. So I'm gonna have to plan a day so we can go out, bring him and my dad out, go do some more fishing one day. But as I'm saying, it's Christmas Eve, so Merry Christmas to you guys. This might be the last video I'm posting for this year, so Happy New Year to you when it comes as well. And thanks for supporting Hartman Adventure throughout the year. You guys have been supporting this channel since day one, so enough thanks to you guys. Big up to you guys. Really appreciate all the subscribers, all the recommendation, all your comments. I read all of your comments, so continue commenting on the videos. Let me know if you have places that you would like for me to go and check out as well. I'm planning some new stuff for next year, so look out for that as well. So thank you guys again, massive thank you, big up, respect. Remember to like, share, comment, subscribe. We over 500 subscribers. We want to get to 1,000 subscribers and more, so you guys just continue liking, continue sharing the videos, continue supporting Hartman Adventures. See you over in 2023.